Alright guys, welcome back to another video. I need your help again. Got a little problem with this car. Some gremlins in the system. I'll show you what. What's going on? And that's best case scenario. Sometimes it just keeps on going up and down for like 30 seconds, nearly a minute before I can bloody get it to stop, eventually stop, slam the door, unlock it. I'll open again, it's fine. Oh yeah, of course when I'm showing you, it's not so bad. Of course it works every time because, you know, when you show someone something that goes wrong, it actually starts working properly. But anyway, it just goes up and down. What's the problem? Is it the lock mechanism? It's the, I don't know, it's smart lock. Smart lock, can you see that? Smart lock, stupid smart lock system, or it's not that smart. There's a problem with one or two. I think it's two, both of them. One of them, I unplugged one of them once and it worked. It didn't do it so much. And then I plugged it back in and does it worse. And then when I changed the window regulator on the other side, I did the same thing and it wasn't quite as bad. So I think it's both the front ones. The lock regulator mechanism, whatever it's called. I think I need to replace it. The thing is, I can't find them on eBay. Can you use one from an AU, or does it have to be from an E series, an ELEF? Are they the same? If someone can help me with this problem, that would be great. Seems to be working now, of course, because I'm trying to show you the problem. But yeah, so a lot of, you know, I feel like I don't want to like open and lock and close my car because it just annoys me every time I take it for a drive. So let me know what you think, and chuck in the comments below. How do I fix it? What's going to cost? What's the part number? Whatever. Have you had the same problem? Is this a common? I think it's a pretty common thing with most E-series. But anyway, let me know what you think. All right, cheers guys.